Welcome to the largest crab factory in America. We process 50,000 crabs every single day. The facility is capable of processing volumes previously thought impossible.
Look at the activity on these. They're incredibly fresh.
Best shipment we've seen all year.
As you can see, the capacity here is crucial. We're consistently moving over 500 pounds per crate, this one specifically at 532 pounds.
The key indicators for grade A are the leg span and the overall carapace width. This one is exceptional.
Here in the secondary rinse, we use a combination of high pressure cold water and a brief steam rinse to eliminate any remaining particulates.
This three-story system utilizes mechanical rollers with precise gaps. The smallest specimens drop here, while the jumbo, we grade everything electronically right here. This is a grade A, perfect shell condition. We also sort for grade B and C based on the meat yield. We keep the water at a steady 38 degrees Fahrenheit. The oxygen levels are stable at 9.2 milligrams per liter, we maintain a constant 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The 18-minute cycle ensures the crabs are perfectly steamed under pressure.
Make sure the band is tight right here to prevent movement. Good, just like that. Now keep the pace steady. Note the vibrant red color in the steam. Internally, we're looking for 185 degrees. And this texture right here, this is the ideal quality marker.
By utilizing this synchronized robotic system, we achieve unparalleled efficiency. 10 perfectly separated.
The key is the pressure setting right here. It cracks the shell perfectly every time.
Yes, the yield looks excellent today, Doctor. By setting the pressure precisely here, we ensure a clean break every time, keeping the delicate meat completely intact. Quality control is the most important step here. We must maintain the highest American food safety standards.
We're taking these shells and processing them into high quality fertilizer and feed. It's a perfect example of the circular. As you can see, the compressed air system pushes the meat out cleanly. This machine handles over 500 legs per minute with unmatched efficiency. As you can see on the display, we maintain exactly 75% moisture. This precision is vital. The key difference is the size and integrity of the muscle. This is jumbo lump, while this here is considered flake, affecting both grade and price. This is our standard 1-pound portion. As you can see, the quality is superb, very fresh.
As you can see, the internal temperature is holding steady at -10 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the integrity of the shipment.
We've got eyes on the main floor.
Access requires the badge, PIN, and biometric scan for complete security.
As you can see right here, we are maintaining a steady -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Sterilized hot cans exit the retort on the conveyor, entering the water spray cooling station. The temperature.
The key is the double seam technology. Precise pressure, and we verify its integrity.
As you can see here, the moment the order enters the system, the fulfillment process begins immediately. We prioritize based on delivery addresses.
The quality of the lump meat is excellent. The portions are exactly 6 ounces, very consistent workflow.
The yield calculation is critical. We're seeing about 28% meat yield here, and maintaining that 25 to 30% range directly impacts our bottom line.
minus 40 degrees, the rapid cryogenic process ensures that ice crystals form instantly, locking in the quality and flavor of the product.
Seal integrity compromised here at the crimp, applying rejection tag.
Noted. The alignment standards were clearly breached on this lot.
The bacteria count on sample 12 looks elevated.
Noted. Moisture levels are stable.
It's positive for shellfish. I see it. Stop the line and begin sterilization procedures right away.
Looks good. The thermometer strip confirms we are maintaining temperature. Go ahead and seal it. The issue is detected. The system flags the entire batch red.
This reflective foil and thick foam barrier ensures the internal temperature is maintained effectively for over 48 hours, guaranteeing food safety.
This automated system ensures efficient boxing. The labels are critical for logistics tracking, detailing the batch and destination.
This provides a complete digital trail, ensuring total traceability from raw material to finished product.
This facility presents our commitment to environmental responsibility. Using advanced biological treatment.
We have a temperature spike in sector 4 right here. There we are.
Correlated with a dip in production, we should reroute coolant flow immediately.
Control the flow.
As you can see on the screen, the system tracks every pallet location using barcode scanning, ensuring real-time inventory level.
The laser guidance systems are essential in these narrow aisles.
Absolutely, especially with the fogging up at the high levels.
Bring that pallet to row 12, slot 4.
Copy that. Moving it now.
This red tag means it's the oldest. The system prioritizes it for shipment, ensuring we never have expired inventory sitting too long.
Maintaining this precise temperature, -8 Fahrenheit, is critical. These documents verify full compliance with all.
It's approved. The batch is ready for distribution.
Excellent news. Congratulations to your team on the flawless execution.
We are incredibly proud of the scale and efficiency demonstrated here. This integrated American operation.
The monitor confirms we are at -10 degrees Fahrenheit.
Perfect. We're cleared for transport.